Hello, my dear students, and welcome to PW English. And I am your Diksha ma'am. So, today we are going to launch a very awaited, much awaited batch, and that is your Victory Batch. So, Victory Batch is for class 11 student. And yes, this batch is, as you have read already here, it is free of cost. Yes, so this batch is absolutely free for you students, and this batch is for 11th class students, whether you are from JEE or NEET, or you are not preparing for these exams, you are studying for your CBSE boards. So let's see what we have in this batch. So let's get started. So, first of all, as I've told you, this batch will be for class 11 boards or JEE or NEET. In this batch, we'll be covering each and every aspect of our subject. And yes, do not think if it is free of cost, anything will be compromised. Nothing will be compromised in this batch. We are going to give you everything from this batch and absolutely free. So we'll be covering physics, chemistry, maths, and biology, which will comprise of botany and zoology both. PDF notes will be given. You see, when teacher teaches you, they write certain notes, and those PDF files will be provided to you. Daily practice problems with hints and solution. All those questions will be given to you for your practice, and then later on we'll also be providing solutions for that. Course completion will be by 15th of August. So by 15th of August, we'll be completing the entire batch. Yes, all the videos will be one shot videos, and we will be covering each and every chapter in one shot. The complete course will be accessible to all the students on YouTube and Victory Batch in PW app. So where can you find all these classes? First of all, these will be on your PW English channel, YouTube channel. And secondly, you can also get on our PW app. This is an application. You can download this from your Play Store, and when you'll open this application, go to your Victory Batch section. There you will be provided with all the PDF notes, all your lectures, and all the hints and solutions of your DPPs, right? All right, so what is the schedule of this batch, right? So when will be your classes be taking place? First of all, on Monday, you will be having biology at 1 p.m. It can either be botany or zoology. Maybe it could work alternatively as well. But you will not be having any class at 4 p.m. on Monday. Tuesday, you will be having chemistry, and at 4 p.m. physics. So, whenever you do not have a class, it doesn't mean you don't have to study and you are free. No, 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 no. At that time, you have to prepare for your next class, right? For example, you have classes, physics and chemistry, which are quite important. So, you have to prepare and study hard on those times, right? Next, we have on Wednesday only mathematics, all those students who are JEE student. And there are also certain students who have opted for PCMB. So, for those, it will go good. Thursday, we have biology and physics. Friday, 1 p.m., we have chemistry, and at 4 p.m., no class. And on Saturdays, we have biology and mathematics. Sunday will be your off day, so that you can not just relax but also study well and, revise everything that you have studied in the entire week. All right. So, now the most awaited thing, who are our teachers? So, who will teach you? First of all, we are going to give you so good teachers, I tell you. Some of the teachers you already have seen on YouTube, and some are the teachers we have brought for you so that you can get quality of education. So here, these teachers, I tell you, they are literally dynamic, and the only thing that we need here is your determination, that how good you can go far with us. All right, so without wasting our time, let's have our physics gem, Inderjeet sir. Awesome Inderjeet sir, and you must have seen his videos already on the YouTube. He has 7+ years of teaching experience. He has guided the AIR 748 rank in NEET, and 170 on 180 in physics, where 665 was the overall score of the student. He has taught around 1 lakh plus student. So if you'll see his lectures, you will find a lot of great animations. So he tried to give everything to the students, where the physics is like they can visualize the physics, atoms coming from here and there, all those things that physics have. I'm a biology teacher, so I apologize if I say something wrong about physics, but yes, for sir, I can really vouch. He's a great physics teacher, and trust me, you have got the best. Next, we have for mathematics, Aman sir. So, if Aman sir, when I saw his video for the first time, I was like, wow. Right. I have never seen any teacher teaching mathematics so interestingly, making the class so interesting. So he also have 7+ years of teaching experience, and top ranks mentored in 2021 J mains and advanced with the AIR 113, 187, 232, and many more. Maybe it can be your rank someday here. All right. Next, we have our chemistry teachers. So, in chemistry, you have three subjects: physical, organic, and inorganic. So, we have experts for each subject. Like Shaurya ma'am, yeah, she is one of our favorite teacher of the students. Then we have Sagar sir. What should I say about Sagar sir? He has 13+ years teaching experience, and I don't want to say much about Sagar sir. Why? Because you just go and see his lectures. He is really awesome teacher, right? So when you'll see his lecture now, you'll get to know what you have got in your organic, right? Then we have Harsha ma'am in our for inorganic. Harsha ma'am, I have worked with this Harsha ma'am, your this teacher, right? So she is very hardworking teacher, very hardworking. I tell you, when I was working with her, she's the kind of a teacher who is always, finding things to give to students. These question, that question. I tell you, if you are, studying from this Harsha ma'am, this teacher from inorganic, your inorganic will be on tips. I tell you, your inorganic will be on tips, right? So this was your chemistry faculty. Next, we have biology. We in botany we have Ayushi ma'am. She has 6+ years of teaching experience in renowned institutes and mentor hundreds of students who are currently pursuing MBBS. So I think you have not seen her right now on PW English, but soon you will. She is really very nice teacher. A lot of students thinks botany is not that interesting, especially those students who are preparing for NEET, because they are into becoming a doctor and they are fan of human physiology. So when you'll get to see her lectures, you will think, yeah, botany can also be interesting. So in zoology, what should I say about me? Because it's not that nice to telling something good about yourself. So all right. Anyways, I have more than 6+ years of teaching in the coaching industry, and then I have also mentored the single rank, double digit, and triple rank students who are actually studying in the medical colleges, and some have become doctors as well. And so my students are in the Maulana Azad, in the Vardhaman Mahavir, the top medical college of Delhi, and some are in the medical college of Chandigarh. So I don't want to say anything much about me. Most of you already know me, and if not, you can see my lectures on PW English. The only thing I will tell you, or I want to tell you guys, if you are thinking to get into this batch, come with the determination, right? And start it with that determination. Make good notes and try to write things up, because whenever a teacher is teaching you by heart, the teacher also expects the student to have that determination. And I tell you, if you get into this and with that determination, you will definitely get good score, whether it's your boards or your NEET or J, right? This is the only thing that I expect from you. And do not think that if it is free of cost anywhere, it's not like that, we'll be missing something. Nothing will be missed, I tell you, nothing will be missed. I myself am a teacher, I'll also be teaching you. How can I lie you about that, right? And anyways, another thing, for those students who cannot afford to buy a batch, this batch is absolutely for you guys. And second thing, for those students who do not understand Hindi, so, and the English language that we'll be using will definitely be very simple. It will not be that of a higher level English. Anybody can understand. And whatever we'll be teaching you, it will be from base. Do not think whether you have done your schooling from a hi-fi school or from any school, or you have not studied well in the previous years. This has nothing to do with that. Whatever will be teaching you, it will be from your base. So from base, we'll first be covering your CBSE or any board that you are going through, and then we'll be, we'll bring you guys to your J and NEET level. So from here, we'll take you there. Only the thing that we need is your determination, how far you can go with us. All right, so this was your teachers who will going to teach you in this batch. Then we have some book materials for JEE and NEET. For JEE, we have this material which contains 9 books: PCM, physics, chemistry and mathematics, which will be having only 11th class syllabus. It contains a well explained theory based on a new pattern, so all the theory will be there. All different types of questions will be there in these modules. NCRT based question will be there, topic wise question. For example, in zoology, if you are studying teeth, you will get the questions from the teeth. If the next topic is your gut, you will get all the questions from the gut. If there are this topic disorders, you'll get the questions from disorders. Then there will be mixed questions, then there will be previous year questions also. So what you say, these modules or booklets will also be having a booklet of solutions. So this is like a full-fledged booklet, a reference book if you want, apart from your NCRT. And one thing that I want to add here, yes, they have a price and you have to buy them. Earlier it was 2,549, but we have put it down for you guys. The price has been dropped from 2,549 to 1,899. Yes, so you can buy all these books of physics, chemistry and mathematics, which are having a lot of things, just on the price of 1,899. See guys, this is nothing. When you are getting the, this education, priceless theories, question and everything, this price is absolutely nothing. So why we have to give the price? Because see, whenever you're printing a book, there you need money and paper to print it. Only that money we are asking you for that. Otherwise we are not we do not have any hidden charges of it. Anyways, on a similar pattern, we have the material for NEET. And this material will again contain PCB, physics, chemistry and biology on 11th class syllabus. And it will also be containing the well explained theory in a very simple language, in a very simple way. And there will be solved example after the concept. NCRT based question will be there, topic wise questions will be there, MCQs will be there, again PYQs will be there, and you will also be getting these solutions of it. Yes, these solutions of it. So it's again a full-fledged material on the price of it was also earlier at the price of 2,549, but now you can buy it at only 1,899 rupees, right? So I think you should go for it for reference purpose. Otherwise you can also refer our notes and NCRT for that matter in case of biology. But if you buy the package or the modules, what good thing that can happen is you can get a lot of question for practice, and you will be having a module, right? Otherwise, if you have any query, you can also go to our PW app. And also we have one desktop version of ours where you can see all this application on your computer screen. If you find your phone to be uneasy for you, if you have your laptops or your computers, you can also go for our desktop version. And as I've told you, if you have any technical issue or any app related issue, you can go to our desktop version or our app or our application, and you can reach to our team, or you can also mail us at support@physicswallah.org, right? All right, so this was about what you have to do if you find any difficulty. So this was about our batch, and we are so much excited to teach you guys in this batch. And trust me, just follow it blindly, because we are going to give you absolutely everything that you want in the language English. So for those who do not understand Hindi very well, and those who can understand Hindi and English both, in fact, any type of a student can go for this batch, and everything will be provided you free of cost apart from the book material. the black lecture notes, your lectures, everything will be free of cost. And we are just waiting for you guys. And this batch will begin on 20th June. So stay tuned and let's do it.